If your face looks grey, tired and worn out, kind of dull and dehydrated, this face mask is just what you need to make it healthy and radiant again. You can make it in under 5 minutes and practically at no cost. It's a perfect quick fix that will restore and replenish your skin in no time. Aloe vera and honey face mask can benefit your skin in many ways. Both of the ingredients are famous for their healing and regenerating effect to the skin. Both aloe vera and honey are suitable for all skin types, and they can both give you the skin you dream of. Aloe vera gel provides lots of moisture, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It can soothe all sorts of skin irritations, fade acne marks and dark spots, and give you an even, youthful complexion. This gel replenishes the skin and makes it plump and supple. Honey is one of the most soothing and healing ingredients you can find. It's a natural humectant and moisturizes your skin without making it oily. Honey purifies the skin and noticeably reduces skin imperfections. It prevents premature aging signs and gives you a bright, dewy glow. Well, all we need here is 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Once you get a smooth paste, wash your face using a gentle face cleanser and warm water. Apply a thin layer of the mask. You can reapply later as your skin starts to absorb the mask. Leave the mask on for about 25 minutes, then rinse off well. Apply your face moisturizer while your skin is still damp to lock in the moisture. If you've made more than you need, transfer what's left to a small clean glass jar and store it in the fridge. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.